Join me as I take on the challenge of building a 30-day residual income stream from scratch. Residual income is the holy grail of financial freedom. It's the ability to earn money without actively working for it, allowing you to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and live life on your own terms. But why is it so important? Well, think about it. If you can create a stream of income that generates money without you having to lift a finger, you'll be able to pursue your passions, travel, spend time with loved ones, and live the life you've always dreamed of. Many people struggle to build wealth because they're stuck in the active income mindset. They think that the only way to make money is to trade their time for a paycheck. And I get it, it's easy to fall into that trap. But the problem is, active income is limited by the number of hours you can work in a day. You can only work so many hours before you burn out. Meanwhile, passive income streams can generate money 24/7, even while you're sleeping. This is why so many people struggle to build wealth. They're stuck in a cycle of active income, and they don't know how to break free. They think that making more money means working longer hours, but that's just not sustainable in the long run. The truth is, building wealth requires a mindset shift. You need to focus on creating passive income streams that can generate money without your direct involvement. But here's the thing, most people don't know where to start. They don't know how to create passive income streams, and they don't have the confidence to take the first step. That's why I want to encourage you. Building residual income is not rocket science. It requires some effort up front, but once you set it up, it can generate money for years to come. So how do you create residual income? Well, there are many ways to do it. You can invest in real estate, create an online business, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or even create and sell digital products. The key is to find an approach that resonates with you and focus on building it. For example, if you're passionate about real estate, you can start by investing in a rental property or invest in a real estate investment trust, REIT. Once you've got that set up, you can start generating passive income through rental income. Another approach is to create an online business. This could be anything from a blog to an e-commerce store to a course creation platform. Once you've created the content, you can sell it and generate passive income. The beauty of online businesses is that they can be scaled quickly, allowing you to reach a wider audience and generate more income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another great way to create residual income. These are stocks that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in these stocks, you can generate a steady stream of income without having to actively work for it. My personal favorite way to create residual income is through affiliate and network marketing. This could be anything from an online course, a nutritional supplement, a service, or a software product. Once you find a product with an affiliate program, you can sell it and generate passive income. I want to share a personal story that illustrates the power of residual income. A few years ago, I got involved with a company that sells nutritional products. It took me a few months to get started growing a significant customer base. But once I did, I began to generate passive income. Fast forward a few months more, and I was generating thousands of dollars in passive income every month. It was life-changing. The key takeaway from this story is that building residual income requires effort up front. But once you've set it up, it can generate money for years to come. It's all about taking that first step and being consistent. In conclusion, building a 30-day residual income stream is not rocket science. It requires some effort up front. But once you've set it up, it can generate money for years to come. Remember, the key is to find an approach that resonates with you and focus on building it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your thoughts on residual income strategies? Do you have any tips or experiences you'd like to share? Also, if you want to learn more about financial tips and strategies, be sure to check out my next video.